Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech It. Today I'm going to be showing you how to update your NVIDIA GeForce driver. If you've never updated your driver before, go to the NVIDIA.com website. Once you're on the website, it will show this webpage located here. Once you're on it, you'll find that there's a taskbar at the top: Product Solutions, Industries, Shop, Drivers and Support. What you want to do is click the driver button. You can manually search for your driver by going GeForce and then whatever graphics card you have. So for example, I have the 1360, so RTX 30 series, and then you'll be able to choose here. So for me, I have the GeForce RTX 3060, Windows 64-bit English, and then you can press find to manual search the driver. If you don't want to, you can literally just press the GeForce Game Ready driver and that will download it for you. Once you're on the driver search, if you are manually doing it, it will come up once it loads with this screen. And then you can just press view and then that will download it and you'll head to a page like this once it's downloaded. For me, I can upgrade the NVIDIA. I'm not going to do that now. We'll just wait for it to load. And then once you're on the page, you will find that you'll need to log in. Once you've logged in, it will then come up with all your applications. So like your games and everything. You will be able to customize whether you want NVIDIA to sort like the best settings for you on certain games. You will see in a minute once I've just logged in. Just bear with me a second. So right, here we go. So you can see the games, apps, all these ones I have downloaded. You'll see that they have like little exclamation marks or stuff like that next to them. So for example, the Microsoft Flight Simulator one, that has got a green tick. So that means it is optimized for my settings, what NVIDIA would recommend. Otherwise, you can choose if you go into details and then you can sort out the current settings and press optimize for whatever your graphics card thinks that your driver should be running at. I've just got custom settings on for some games just because I want that, but it's completely up to you. You will see whether they are optimized or not. It sometimes takes a few seconds for it to load. But when you're updating your driver, what you have come to this video to watch, you'll literally just need to press this driver button next to the home. You can then press check for updates. It will scan for the latest updates on your graphics card, so what's suitable for it. I'd ensure that you keep updating your driver just because you'll be able to get better gameplay, really, because you're getting the latest patches and everything for your driver. Sometimes the drivers are not the best and you want to revert to your old one. You can literally do that if you do want to. But most of the time, I've never really had that problem. I just keep updating it so you're always up to date and you don't want to be running out behind a few updates, as you might find some performance issues in. But once you've done that and you've got the app downloaded, you'll literally just need to press this download button here, and then that will update your drivers for you. And it'll say, do you want to do an express one, or you can customize it usually. It doesn't really matter, but I'd just go for the one that is recommended. But that is literally it, guys. It is very simple. If you do have any questions at all, please feel free to let me know in the comments and I'll try and get back to your comments. If you've got any questions, feel free to let me know at BarcodeBen on socials. So feel free if you do need any further assistance. I hope that video was good for you and you've managed to get your driver updated now. But yeah, once again, if you've got any problems, feel free to let me know and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have an amazing day.